Hey everyone, it's Quantivo. Who doesn't love the idea of making money while they sleep? I'm talking about passive income, that beautiful thing that keeps your bank account growing even when you're not actively working. Today I'm going to show you how to leverage the power of Pinterest to generate passive income through affiliate marketing. You don't need to create your own products, deal with customer service, or even hold any inventory. Whether you're a complete beginner, or you've dabbled in affiliate marketing before, this video is your step-by-step guide to unlocking a stream of passive income using Pinterest. Trust me, it's easier than you think, and the potential is huge. Stick around. I'm going to show you exactly how to use affiliate marketing on Pinterest to earn money while you sleep. Okay, so let's break down this whole affiliate marketing thing. In a nutshell, it's like being a brand ambassador, but way easier and often more lucrative. You find a product or service you love, you recommend it to your audience, and if they make a purchase using your unique affiliate link, boom, you get a commission. It's that simple. Think of it like this. You're at a party, and you tell your friend about this amazing new coffee you found that tastes like $1 million but costs less than your daily latte. Your friend, being a coffee enthusiast, is instantly intrigued. You give them the name of the brand and where to buy it. That's affiliate marketing. You're essentially connecting people with products they're looking for and getting rewarded for it. Now you might be wondering, why Pinterest? Isn't that just for recipes and DIY crafts? While Pinterest is fantastic for those things, it's so much more than meets the eye. Pinterest is a visual search engine, my friends, and it's a goldmine for affiliate marketers. People go on Pinterest to actively search for inspiration, ideas, and solutions. They're primed and ready to make a purchase. This means that your carefully crafted pins, the ones with your affiliate links embedded, have the potential to go viral and drive traffic to your offers for months, even years after you've created them. Talk about passive income on autopilot. Alright, let's dive into the actionable steps to get you earning that sweet, sweet Pinterest affiliate income. The first, and arguably most important step, is choosing your niche. Your niche is your area of focus, your passion, your expertise. The key here is to pick something you genuinely enjoy. Why? Because you'll be spending a lot of time researching, creating content, and engaging with your audience in this niche. If you're not passionate about it, you'll burn out faster than a match in a hurricane. Step 2. Join affiliate programs. Now that you've got your niche locked in, it's time to find relevant products and services to promote. This is where affiliate programs come in. These programs connect you with brands and businesses that are willing to pay you a commission for every sale you refer through your unique affiliate link. One of the most popular and beginner-friendly affiliate programs is Amazon Associates. Amazon sells pretty much everything under the sun, so regardless of your niche, you're bound to find relevant products to promote. But don't limit yourself to just Amazon. There are countless other affiliate networks and programs out there, each with its own set of benefits and commission structures. Step 3. Create a Pinterest business account. With your niche and affiliate programs sorted, it's time to set up shop on Pinterest. Head over to Pinterest and create a business account. This will give you access to analytics, which will be crucial for tracking your progress and understanding what's working and what's not. When setting up your profile, make sure to choose a username that's relevant to your niche and easy to remember. Your profile picture should be professional and eye-catching. Think of it as your first impression. And don't forget to write a compelling bio that clearly states what you're all about and what your audience can expect from your pins. Step 4. Design eye-catching pins. Now comes the fun part. Creating pins that stop scrollers in their tracks and make them click through to your affiliate offers. Remember, Pinterest is all about visuals, so your pins need to be visually appealing and attention-grabbing. Luckily, you don't need to be a graphic design guru to create stunning pins. There are tons of free and paid tools available that can help you create professional-looking pins in minutes. Canva is a personal favorite. It's super user-friendly and has a drag-and-drop interface that makes designing a breeze. When creating your pins, stick to vertical images with a 2:3 aspect ratio. This is the optimal size for Pinterest. Step 5. Add your affiliate link and dominate Pinterest. Okay, you've got your niche, your affiliate products, your Pinterest business account, and your eye-catching pins. Now it's time to connect the dots and start driving traffic to your offers. When adding your affiliate link to your pin, you have a couple of options. Pinterest doesn't always allow direct affiliate links, so you can either shorten your link using a tool like Bitly, or redirect traffic to your own blog post or landing page that contains your affiliate link. Consistency is key when it comes to Pinterest marketing. Aim to pin consistently, whether it's once a day or a few times a week. The more you pin, the more visible your content becomes, and the higher your chances of driving traffic and earning those commissions. And there you have it, your roadmap to building a passive income stream with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to learn and explore in the world of Pinterest marketing, but this should give you a solid foundation to get started. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it allows you to earn money while you sleep, literally. So what are you waiting for? Start implementing these strategies today, and watch as your Pinterest profile transforms into a passive income-generating machine. Want more tutorials like this? Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And don't forget, start today, because future you will thank you for it.